Welcome to this overview and user guide for the Aspire Plato. In the box, first you'll find the Aspire Plato. Underneath the lid, you'll also find a user manual. There's also a selection of other items including spare seals, an Aspire 2500 mAh battery, a USB cable for charging. There's also the brand new designed Aspire Plato 0.4 ohm coil. A coil removal tool is also included, and a black dowel ring and also a stainless steel drip tip is also in the box. The Aspire Plato is a very compact and very lightweight device. It features a very nice brush finish in all available colours too. The body slides off to access the inbuilt tank and battery compartment. The negative and positive marks within the battery compartment are clearly marked. The battery is also clearly marked. Upon fitting, the Aspire logo will show. To charge, simply plug the USB cable into a computer or 500 mAh wall plug and into the Aspire Plato. The display indicates the charge status. The Plato comes with two coils. The spare is a 0.5 ohm coil designed for sub-ohm or direct-to-lung vaping and allows for 4.6 milliliters of e-liquid to be filled into the tank. To remove the Plato coil, use the supplied tool to unscrew the coil from the device. Ensure to hold the glass tank so it does not fall. The coil initially fitted is a 1.8 ohm Nautilus coil, including Plato adapter, which allows for 5.6 milliliters of e-liquid. This is intended for mouth-to-lung inhale. The glass can be very easily removed for cleaning or to replace seals. There is a specific order in which to change the Nautilus coil. Unscrew the top collar first, then unscrew the Nautilus coil. When refitting your new Nautilus coil, always refit the top collar first and tighten. Then screw the new Nautilus coil in place. Failure to follow this method may result in some leakage or poor performance. The glass is easily repositioned and is held in place when the new coil is fitted. Whilst holding the glass in position, refit the coil. A coin is a very effective way of screwing the coil into the Plato if you do not have the coil tool at hand. Ensure it is firmly screwed into position. There are two supplied drip tips included. Both the stainless steel and the wide ball dowel ring drip tip are easily pushed into place. To fill the tank, simply remove the cover. The tank has two plugs. Always open both plugs when filling. The Aspire Plato tank allows for filling of e-liquid at either plug. Once filled with your chosen e-liquid, close both plugs and replace the cover. Upon battery insertion, the Plato will prompt between wattage mode or temperature control mode. In wattage mode, you can choose between regulated or bypass mode and confirm your option. The display is very bright and clear and has a very useful tilt sensor which will orientate the screen automatically. The Plato has 50 watts of power available and will quickly scroll down to 1 watt. It also allows for incremental adjustment. By simultaneously pressing both the positive and negative buttons will enter the menu system. In wattage mode, bypass mode will override wattage control and the Plato will work similar to a mechanical mod. By pressing the positive or negative buttons will allow you to cycle between all options shown on the display at any time. Selecting temperature control mode offers 2 options. Ni for Ni200 nickel or Ti for titanium wire. To work, you will need to fit either one of these types of coils. You can then choose between Celsius or Fahrenheit as unit of heat measurement. If the coil has not been recently used and it is at room temperature, select yes. The positive and negative buttons will now alter your desired temperature. The Aspire Plato has a couple of extra functions too. By pressing the fire button 3 times will set the display into stealth mode and it will no longer illuminate whilst the device is in use. Pressing 3 times again will turn the display back on. The Plato can also be locked by pressing the fire button 5 times. Pressing the fire button 5 times again will unlock the device. Finally, on the base, there is a dial that can control the rate of airflow from very tight to very airy to tailor exactly to your vaping preference. The Plato is available in numerous colours and is very practical and versatile all-in-one device suited to everyday use. Thank you for watching this overview of the Aspire Plato.